Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install HueForge on your computer. Step number 1, visit the link in the description to go to the web page here. So HueForge is a paid subscription software. And if you scroll down here on the page, it gives you the pricing options. It's $24 for personal use or $3.50 for professional use if you're going to be selling things. So click on the Buy Now button on which one you want. After you finish putting in all your purchase information, you will then receive an email with your download. Click in that email and it will say Download HueForge. There's a button right there. Then a new web page will open where you need to choose which version for your computer of the software you need. A file should automatically download onto your downloads. Then go into those files that were extracted and then click on the .execution file. If you're finding yourself having issues, maybe you forgot to extract the initial folder. So after you extract the initial folder, you need to find the file called HueForge. It's either going to be an application or a .exe file. This will then walk you through the prompt on installing HueForge on your computer. There you have it, guys. You completely downloaded and installed HueForge onto your computer. To learn how to use HueForge in a step-by-step tutorial fashion, click on this next video of mine to check it out. It's fairly easy to learn to use. Check out the video right here, guys.